Namaste Chincha. I'm Master Mantesh. Practice with me and enjoy my class. I hope you everyone enjoy. And let's go hands. The hip fall back high, the steady hands. Torah turning in right. The hip fall back center. Torah steady hand turning in left. In socket stand no hands. And twisting your body hands. Hip fall back center. Turning it off to left side no hand. Look your right chair turning in back. The hip fall back center. And sun's rotation no hand. Follow me everyone. High chin wide your hands. The hip fall turning it off to hands. Torah high thi so form do hands. Sihi chimpai turning in just come back your hands. Chinchai turning in back see no hands. And draw feeling chin and chest your floor. Sihi inhale cobra pose hands. Just look your head off. Turn push your hands. And downward extend of hands. Turning your front no hands. Sihi Chinchai, turning your front hand, look your friend. Chinchai, also front your hands. And hip fall, turning it off to hand. Exhale, Namaste push. And try to hand slowly lay down your body. Try hands, just your back see. Just no hand, learning it off to hands. And high lock your hands. Turning in push, touch your friend, see in the hold. Turning in left side hand, twisting your body and look your right side. And chimpa, just learn it off and lock your legs. And lock your hand. Close your eyes. In completely relaxed position. Hip fall. Take your hand, rub your palms. First rub your palms. Slowly open your palms, slowly open your eyes, look at your phone. Namaste Chincham. Thank you. Have a nice day.